ESX. Equipment defect detector. Milepost 5.3. Track number 2. First hotbox. Axle 4-8 north. Rail from pin of train. In the transmission.
Alright guys, we got another train coming through. Train 3 today. March 2nd. It's in the 60s. But we're over here in the old Conrail yard right now. I can hear his horns. We're going to take a look and see what we got here. Like what might be a Norfolk Southern. That'd be great. Let's come back just a little bit. Got some tankers and hoppers down here. All right, here he comes. He's heading westbound. Here comes a pony. We'll see if he's got a UP on him or not. They run through here quite a bit. In the lead. We'll be looking for the DPU. Got some pipes on him. there he goes. No DPU. You can see, heading westbound. We do have some hoppers and some tankers down here sitting in the CSX yard. Just the old Conrail yard. How about that? Conrail used to run through here about every 20 minutes. Conrail was busy when they were running through here. And of course, no Conrail. 1998 was the last Conrail that we had coming through here. They had a really bad wreck in 95 down here on the west side of town, and seemed like it burnt for days down there with that. There was a westbound sitting on the track, and the train came out of the east and hit him from behind, knocking him on the other tracks, and they forgot, either some communication or something happened where they didn't communicate to the tanker coming eastbound, and the tanker hit him eastbound, hit that derailed train, and it was a mess. Really a cold night. It was right there before Christmas. I know they had to evacuate some people, quite a few people in that area due to all the toxic tankers. But that was my memory of Conrail. But anyways, and plus they came through pretty heavy back in the 90s. But and of course then we had Illinois Central Gulf too here, so but both are taking over. Canadian National on the OICG, CSX on the old Conrail. So alright guys, we'll keep an eye on things, and we will check you on the next video. Alright guys, we have a train on the way. Looks like it's a southbound train. We got a green light you can see behind me. It's about 31 degrees. Heavy snow here in Effingham. We're gonna check and see what we got coming through here. I just caught Union Pacific Norfolk Southern coming through, and he was heading eastbound. But let me flip it around here. You can see right there, the snow is heavy in town right now, so got to try to catch some snow trains here if we can coming through. And we do have CSX 2 on the line as well. So we'll jump back on. Oh, I do see his lights. He is coming. It's kind of hard to see with visibility. It's pretty rough out here today. So anyways, he's on his way. I can see the 3 lights in the distance. Like I said, you can see behind me, green light, southbound. And like I said, very heavy snow. Supposed to get supposed to get about 3 inches is what I was told. So anyways, let's take a look and see what we got. We'll have a good snow train rolling through here. I can hear his dinging now. All right. He is coming down the line. Love to get these snow trains. Oh, I better go back in. There we go. Got some power on him. KCS boxcars. that horn. Look at all these snow-covered tankers. Got a lot of tankers on him. Now he's picking up some speed. My hands are about froze. My fingers. I'm gonna go warm up. There he goes, guys. Heading southbound here in the snow. Always love to get the snow trains. Back to red on red. Check you on the next video. All right, guys, we're up here in Sigel. And you can see behind me, if I can get it down here. There we go. We got a solid green light single unit coming through. And we're gonna check him out real quick. It is pouring down rain. Spin it around here. There it is right there. Green light. The lights are coming down. there he goes. All right. Gates are going up. We'll check you on the next video. All right, guys, we do have a train on the way. We're a day after Christmas, the 26th. Looks like we might have a Norfolk Southern. Let's take a look. We got a pony coming through. 2 ponies. Excellent. All right, we've got a couple ponies there. All right, guys. We'll see what else we can catch here. CSX may be coming through. We'll check you on the next video. Let's go get on. Fort Madison, we got another train on the way. Yeah, hey, check these out.
Original conrail. Cover hoppers?
Yeah, some covered ones. Hey, check this out. Look at the Santa Fe. These old white cars. Awesome. Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway. Comes another one. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable.
Make a whole mess out of